Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you what I actually made. Here's the capris that I made, and they turned out really cute, a really nice collar, as you can see. But I had a shirt that I had purchased last summer, and I'll give you, this is the back of it. It's really cute, sleeveless. This is the front, but this part right here, the inside kept sticking up. You'd have to keep ironing it down. So I finally took my sewing machine and sewed around the front of it, so I won't have to worry about that. But another thing, it was kind of too baggy on me, so what I did was I flipped it inside out and sewed from the underarm down, took it in about an inch on both sides, and it turned out perfect. Can't even tell it, but it's really a pretty collar. As you can see, it will go really cute with these capris that I made for myself. But if you like my videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I will be posting more videos soon. Until next time, take care.